In this one, we need to write a short function that takes a string s representing a sentence and return a copy of the string with all the punctuation removed. So we don't lose any time. I've put here a list of all the punctuation marks in the English language. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to declare a function, remove punctuation, and it's going to take a string and it will return a string. I'm going to put this inside the function. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is declare a new empty string. It's going to be empty, and then I'm going to iterate through the given string and check if the character is not in marks. Then I'm going to append it to the new string. Oh, new str. Okay, and in the end, I'm just going to return the new str. That's easy enough. Let's test it. I'm going to do Python-i. Okay, and if I do remove punctuation and I just give a string, this is an example. Oh, I forgot that my mistake. The string doesn't, I was thinking of a list, so instead of append, I just do this, use the plus notation. Yep. So this one should add the character at the end of the string. So let's try it again. I'm going to do this, copy and run it here. And it removes all punctuation. So that's it for this exercise.